Hey, what's up YouTube? This video we have another W211, and I have made a video doing this with Key Tool Plus and some solderless adapters. I'll probably link that up in the corner. This one we're going to do with Autel, and we're going to, instead of using the G-Box, we're going to use this the Weixy bench platform for Mercedes. First thing we're going to do is I got the scanner plugged into the bench platform. I'll go ahead and plug the platform into the EIS. Like so. So now we're all connected here. I'll go ahead and power it up. And we're going to just select Autel because that's what we're using here is Autel. And this platform is really cool. It actually is going to take the place of the G-Box. And link is going to be in the description if you want to check the platform out. I highly recommend it. I'm going to go ahead and go to Mercedes. Expert selection. EIS tools, and we're going to read EIS data, and we'll read it via IR on bench with G-Box, even though we're not using the G-Box. And we'll select W211, and there's your G-Box connections, but we have the platform, so we don't need to worry about all the DuPont cables or anything. We're able to just connect straight through with the platform. And we're going to put the simulator in. And it went ahead and read it. Hit OK, and it's just showing it's got 3 keys in there, etc. So we'll hit OK, and we do want to actually save this. So it's been saved. Now we're going to get out of here. Now we need to get the password. So we're going to go to Get Password, and we're going to do all keys lost fast, I think, here. On bench G-Box, even though we're using the platform, we'll select W211. And once again, here it's showing you G-Box connections that we don't need to worry about. So hit OK. And it's just helping us connect the tool to the G-Box, which we're hooked up already to the platform, so we're good there. See, all of our connections are good. I'm just going to take the IR reader out. All right, we're good there. Got our simulator plugged in. And now we need to go ahead and insert it into the EIS. And now we wait. All right, calculated our password actually pretty fast. And so we're just going to hit OK. OK. And now we're going to go to key. And we need to generate a key file. Our EIS data, with the little view at the bottom arrow, it'll pull up the most recent one. Okay, already puts in our password for us. And see, so go ahead and we'll just do key number 3. We'll just hit OK. And we've got V51 half smart key. We'll hit OK. And let's go ahead and just generate our key file for us. And we'll save it. Now we need to write the key file. So it's telling us to put a blank into the XP400, so we'll do that like so. And I'm going to hit OK. And hit view, bottom arrow again, we'll pull up the most recent one. Key 3, and we'll hit OK, and it should just go ahead and write this to our key. And I'm going to go ahead and remove the emulator or simulator out of the EIS because we're done with that. And file writing is complete. Excellent. Now we'll go ahead and we'll check and see if the key actually works. So on the platform here, we're going to go ahead and just switch it to test. And then what we're going to do is put it into the EIS, and there's a little red light that's going to light up, and we're going to watch that light. It should turn off. We should hear it click and then be able to actually turn it. And so I don't know if you'll be able to see the red light or not. I have trouble filming this part sometimes. Let me go ahead and try it here. The little red light's going to be right there. And the red light came on, went off real fast. You heard the click. And now the lock actually turned. So now it just goes back in the car, and the job is done. So that's a W211 with the Autel and the Weixy bench platform. Once again, link to that platform is in the description. And like I said, I recommend it. I mean, like the G-Box is terrible, but this is a lot easier and makes it real easy to test them out when you're all done. So that's all I really got on this one, guys. If you guys have any questions or comments, please put them in the comments. And until next time, we will talk to everybody later.